Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to be tidying up my kitchen. It was not a huge mess, but it needed to be tidied up, so I figured that I might as well film it and give you guys some good cleaning motivation. So I just started out by picking up everything that was on the floor, that way I didn't trip over anything during the rest of the cleaning process. My husband's work bag stays in the kitchen, so I just kind of tucked that closer to the door before moving on to the things on the counter. So there's just some recycling, there's some food that needed to be put away, and my cleaning cloth was just kind of hanging out on the counter, so I quickly moved all that stuff off and out of the way. Our pantry has a child lock on it just to keep our toddler out of the pantry and from getting into things that she's not supposed to be getting into, like the sugar and things like that. It's mostly organized except for the very bottom shelf, which is kind of just a mess of things. It's snacks and extra food, so it's a big mess. I decided to take this time to also refill the coffee container that we have on our counter. We just put whole beans in there, we have a grinder, so keeping it full makes the place look a little bit more organized. So it was around this point that I realized that our water had been shut off again. We have some road construction going on right now, so the water gets shut off periodically. So instead of doing the dishes, I just kind of stacked them off to the side on the counter and left them be for now. So I'm 5'7", so in order to reach the top level of my cupboards, I need to stand on my tippy toes. That's better than some people I know who have to use a stool, but it's still kind of a pain, so I put the things that we don't really use a lot up on the top shelf. I noticed some things were disorganized in this cupboard when I went to put away my glass containers, so I just took the time to fix that up before putting everything away. really like to find something better to organize our utensil drawer. This worked for a time, but now that my toddler is using these little metal utensils, it's kind of a mess all the time and I don't like the way it looks, so I really need to find something new that fits into this space. By this point I was pretty much done. I only had 2 things left on our drying rack, and I put the ice tray back onto the drying rack just because I can't fill it at the moment. So that is everything for today's video. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to see more of my content. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.